Melville Johnson. Keyboards, Alessandro Portini. Drums, looking suspiciously tired, Josh Freese. On guitar, Robin Fink. By the way, Robin has a birthday. Is it today or is it tomorrow? It's tomorrow, but I mean, it's almost midnight, right? So happy birthday to Robin. 22 years old. I'd also like to thank the band that played with us tonight, Health. Invited them on this tour, and it's been a pleasure to share the stage with them. And thank you to my friend Peter Murphy, who's currently hanging upside down. This is one of the very first tours we ever went on. Peter was kind enough to take us out to support him. And he's been a good friend ever since. What to do now? Okay, we'll play a few more things. Thanks again to you for coming out and supporting us, making it always right for us. These are pretty fun. There should be more shows like this.